Welcome to 2190 Balcluthia Lane, where a community pool and clubhouse is yours to enjoy in this beach forest brick home. Built by Wilkes. It has smooth ceilings and a great open floor plan with hardwood flooring in the main areas, and also in the large master bedroom. The great room has a gas fireplace. The dining room has wainscoting. The kitchen has custom white cabinetry, beautiful white granite counters, and stainless appliances remain with the home. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, a private bath with a wonderful tile shower, and dual sinks in the beautiful white granite counters and white vanity. This is a split 3-bedroom floor plan with 2 baths. The bathrooms and utility room have tile floors. This home has a 2-car garage, a covered back porch, patio, and a brick privacy fenced backyard. You have a view of the pond from the front door. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The foyer greets you upon entering the front door. It has hardwood floors and measures 13.4 inches by 6.2 inches. The great room has hardwood floors, a ceiling fan, a gas log fireplace, and measures 17.6 inches by 16.4 inches. The dining room has hardwood floors, wainscoting, and measures 14.11 inches by 12.6 inches. The kitchen has custom white cabinetry, beautiful white granite counters, stainless appliances that remain with the home, and measures 13.7 inches by 13. The kitchen has beautiful hardwood floors, custom white cabinets, granite countertops and stainless appliances that include a dishwasher, refrigerator, range, oven and microwave. The kitchen offers stainless Samsung appliances that remain with the home. The master bedroom has carpet, a vaulted ceiling with a ceiling fan, a huge walk-in closet, a private master bath, and measures 19.6 inches by 13.3 inches. The master walk-in closet measures 13.6 inches by 4.5 inches. The master bath has tile floors, granite counter with dual sinks, white cabinetry, a beautiful walk-in tiled shower, and measures 11.2 inches by 9.3 inches. Bedroom 2 has carpet, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 11.11 inches by 11.3 inches.